Hey guys, it's me again, and as requested, I'm going to do another Among Us tutorial today. I'm going to show you guys how to draw the crewmate body that you discover and report in-game, and it's going to be about as on-model as I can manage. So I hope you're looking forward to this one. It's going to be very, very quick and easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how easy it can be. Even though it's short, don't skip around too much because each step of the way is pretty important, so don't be a skipper. It also helps the channel enormously if you could subscribe and like the video if you actually do like it. That would be fantastic as well. With that out of the way, let's go. So this one's actually pretty simple once you know the trick. I want you to start off with a circle. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. As a matter of fact, it's probably better if the circle is a bit wider than it is tall. A bit further out this way than it is going up or down. And then once you've drawn that, I want you to draw another circle around it, but this time it's a bit funny looking. It's a little bit thicker at the bottom left and top right corners than it is at the other corners, if that makes sense. So make it a little bit thicker here and here, not by much though, than here and here. So this is the inside of the body, and this is the kind of outer shell of the crew suit. And now up here we want a leg. I want this leg to kind of have this weird shape, to a very unique shape that I can't really describe very easily, but it is one of the legs, and I guess it's slightly on top of the other one. So it kind of leans out this way, but then it really kind of curves back and finishes about here, where this part starts to stop being thin and starts to thicken out a bit, if that makes sense, about there. And the other leg, you'll be pleased to know, a bit smaller, a bit simpler. It just starts here and it curves to about there. Again, it's at that point where the thickness here kind of begins to change and goes a little bit thicker here. And now finally is the bone in the middle. So you want to start your bone about here, so it's easier if you just lightly draw a little circle in the exact middle of this inside part of the body here. And it almost looks like an eye when you do that, but it's not an eye. We are drawing the base of the bone. And then what it does is it comes out over here and it curves until it touches. Don't worry about overlapping because we're going to erase that in a minute, but it touches the outside there. It doesn't quite go past it, but it touches it. Folds in a bit towards this line here. You stop there and then you carry it on around here like this. And end up with this kind of peach shape, and then we fold this back in, join the circle. You see that, how I joined that line into the circle? And then for the sake of clarity, I'm going to get my eraser and I'm just going to get rid of the parts that we're not going to see in the final product here. You might want to do the same if you're working digitally, or with a pencil, just get your eraser and just get rid of those little spots there. And there we go, boom. Super easy. That was only about 2 minutes. And there you go. There is a pretty on-model replica of the Among Us crewmate body. So I'm going to get this coloured in, and you should go ahead and do the same if you want to. And yeah, I'll see you guys in just a sec. Like I said, pretty quick and easy, that one. So let's move on to having a look at some of the art that we had in the Discord this week. I can't wait to show you guys what everyone has been up to. 25 Inches has been using my tutorials here to learn how to draw poses, and I've got to say they are really, really working out. Also, look at those faces as well. This is some fantastic progress, if I do say so myself. 25 Inches, I can't wait to see more. And Dragon Studios, I just had to show this one. There's something very minimalist about this one. While there's not an awful lot of detail going on with the body, sometimes it quite simply doesn't have to in order to convey what a character is feeling. The simplicity of the face, the mouth and the eyes being so close together at the top of the head. There's something very expressive about that, and I just had to show you guys. Really nice on this one, Dragon Studios. Gamerlord has been working on action poses, and these are just looking spectacular. Keep at it, because you are getting an absolutely fantastic grasp of movement in these drawings. This is just brilliant. Norpus has got some more ducks for us, and they are looking as fantastic as always. Norpus, you're really good at drawing your ducks. Keep it up because the progress is just fantastic to see. Henge has been really on form with this very cartoony, very colourful, and just completely delightful art style that they've got. Absolutely knocking it out the park. It's very vibrant, and there's just a lot to take in here. I can't wait to see more from you. This is just blowing my mind. I'm W has given us this awesome just pile of sketches here, really, really working in the repetition sense, and that is a pretty good way for most of us to practice, actually, is to do things over and over again with the intent of actually understanding it. And I've got to say, I'm W, I can already see this is really paying off. This is wonderful. I can't wait to see more from you. Keep at it. Frog is clearly in the Christmas spirit and the Among Us spirit as well, with this very colourful illustration, well in time for the big day. I love this. There's a lot going on here, and there's lots of reds and greens, very, very festive. Really nice illustration, great work. Stinger McQueen with this really, really nice Fimo Polymer Clay Slowpoke. Slowpoke is a Generation 1 favourite of mine, so I had to show some appreciation for this one. Even though it's not a drawing, it doesn't matter. This is a fantastic creation. And look at that, I'm so fond of how productive everyone is in the Discord. If you haven't joined the Discord already, please check out the link below and consider joining us. It's a really great place to just make new friends and share your artwork, and you can get some feedback from me along the way. That's going to be it from today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you next time.